So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Projack's webinar. Today is 2 April 23rd. I just have my 34th birthday yesterday, okay, and I have quite enjoyed the night with my traders, my friends, my teammates. Okay, and also the sterling yen and sterling dollar both are doing very well. All right, so first thing first, if you remember, I don't know how many of you guys still remember the last webinar's trade, the sterling yen. How many of you? Do you still remember the sterling yen trade? Give me one if you remember the trade. Which way did in the last week? Right, and I told you guys I have one lot. Right, I have one positions I want to hold till longer targets, right? And right now you can see here, right? So this trade is now having a $1,000 profit. Okay, and my account has been growing from 1,000 to 5,006. Right, it's almost 5 times. You can see this. I'll just give you last week's. Just give you last week's. You can see here. So this will be the profit, right? So sorry, should be this month, yeah. A little bit slow. Okay, yeah. So you can see here, this one I withdraw 6,000 and I just reinvesting 1,000 and I just trade sterling yen, right? Finding opportunities to trade those sell those breakdown and pullback, right? So far it's all winning trade, right? But profit is about a 4K. So 1K plus 4K is about 5,007. And now I still have, today I just made another trade here. The reason is I saw this broken of this structure here, right? You see the structure broken, pullback sell, and I might make my stop loss above here, slightly above the 89 EMA, right? And so I think now I can just enjoy this trade because generally speaking, the sterling yen has broken the wedge, sorry, this chart triangle, the big triangle. So very, very likely this big fall will happen. So this is just a follow-up of the last week's trade. This is how to demonstrate that what we can do with this risk-free trade. Okay, so again, I'm going to hold it till about here. Okay. So sterling yen, if you have the short with me, okay, please hold. How many of you guys trade sterling yen last with me? Raise your hand if you still have some sterling yen position and have money. Just raise your hand. Give me one. Right? Okay, good. Gold, euro, all holding. Well, very good, David. I think you made tons of profit, right? Yeah. Right. Okay, so back to the if you only have sterling yen, that's okay. You're still a very good profit, right? Euro only, very good. Euro also, right? Remember last week when our webinar here, the euro we sell here, right? Remember about here, sell the pullback, right? Instant money and then another retracement and then putting our double top, and now euro is looks like a waterfall, right? Crazy. All right, so let's go back to gold. Right. gold has been broken the structure here, right? So and we found actually a quite nice inside bar breakdown in the daily chart, which is here, right? A big red mother candle followed by a inside bar and then breakdown. So if you trade this inside bar, it should be working very well. And then I published in TradingView here. It's actually in this chart. I said gold has been, you know, just puts this chart here, right? The structure broken, so pullback you can short. Now it's doing very well. So you can sell from 1 to 80 or to 79. And today they actually just give another very good chance to sell the pullback, which will be here. It formed a harmonic patterns here. Really formed a harmonic patterns here. So if you trade these patterns, you actually find a very nice entry, okay, to catch the next trend. Yeah, you're right. You're right. I think you're talking about something. I think last week would be small patterns here. Can't remember which one. Maybe this. Trade this, you can win quite good money, and then you can short this gold from here, from the structure here, from 1307, and by using 618 pullback, right? It's actually a very good 618 plus structure trade. So if you short from 1307, wow, that's very nice. Not this one, okay. Right. So what we can do, what is gold next, right? So it's actually gold is coming, putting a very huge top, right? This is a very long-term top, right? You can see here the price really hanging in this 1 to 80 level for a couple of months, or from December. December to April, the gold is trying to rally but failed, and then the second top putting failed here also, and we actually take a short from last from here, right? From here, this structure trade is quite nice and catch a profit, and then short it again from the 618 as well. You can see here the 618 here, right? And now break down, make the lower low. So what is your immediate thought is you should actually sell the pullback, right? If there's any pullback to 1272, right? Because today it actually breaks down this new low, new structure here, right? So just get ready to pull your trigger when the price hits into this previous support, now become resistance, right? Can you understand the logic? Right, it's actually the same thing. It's actually the break, structure break and pullback strategy. It's very simple, but effective. Right? Okay, sell any pullback to 1270. Right? Stop loss, I will recommend to just be given here. 1276 we do. Okay, just putting here, and you can aim the daily 618. Yeah, where can the gold go? Yeah, I'll just tell you that about it. The gold can easily drop to 1231, right? Easily, right? You easily come to here. So just enjoy your profit when you're holding your short, right? Trying to find more selling pullback opportunities, right? Because the gold, it will not drop to here instantly. It will just maybe break new low, pull back, and you can sell again, break new low, pull back, sell again. Trying to find these opportunities, right? If you can make a you can turn into this one trade into 4 trade, right? That would be too good. Okay, you can actually get more than 8% of your gain. Trying to find this kind of a structure broken pullback because it's downtrend. In bearish trend, the best strategy is to do this. Okay, so where can the gold go is not the major issue. The major issue is, can you participate when the gold is going down? Do you understand? Because even if you know that gold is going to 1231, right? What can you do? You want to sell it now, or you want to sell the pullback, or you want to sell it first and take hard profit and then add back the positions and then take another profit and add back positions, right? It's actually what's your action will be very important, right? It's not only about, oh, where's the target, where can I go, but how do you participate in this downtrend? All right, since there's no much questions for gold, I will just pass on to euro. All right, so today will be a very quick session. Okay, the euro is breaking new low here. Okay, kind of this, right? However, there is a supporting place here. You need to look at 1.12, and there is a Fibonacci ratios here. I just mentioned. Right? You need to be careful about this. All right, so there is a butterfly patterns completing soon. I think, yeah, it's almost completed 1.1201, right? Okay, but not yet. Sorry, this is Gardy pattern, not a butterfly. It's Gardy patterns. Okay. However, it's still in a very bearish trend. Still in a bearish trend, and it may break new low. So I won't suggest you to trade this buying. Okay, trade this reversal. Take this reversal trade, because on the other side we have DXY, and you can see here the DXY is actually trying to break new high. Do you understand? Okay, the DXY is still very strong, very nice strong. And in weekly chart, I said DXY may touch this place, 98.49. That is my target for DXY bullish from here. Right? See here. So there's no much more resistance now. It's very strong. It looks like it break new high is a very high probability. So that's why I think the euro is better to focus on short, because if DXY going up, the euro will going down. So I don't want you to take this trade off this Gardy patterns, but just don't chase the price. Okay? I think the best way is still to find a pullback to here, 1.1226. If there is a pullback from here, you take a short, right? Understand? So the best selling point is 1.1226. I agree with you, David. Yeah, that's is actually in last time when I said the euro will drop from 1.25. My target is here. If you remember, I actually in TradingView I already published this chart. It's a very long, very long-term view. Yeah, it's here. You can find that. Ooh, I think this chart has been being viewed by 56,000 people, right? I said this is a multiple tops, right? It will going down in the weekly chart. I'm looking down even further. Okay. Yeah. It's last year. Yeah. So the gap will be closed. I agree. So just hold your short. We will be still have another 400 pips. Right. And trying to find the see the euro essentially there's no support. So find the pullback short will be the best choice, and hold your sterling dollar shorts as well, because sterling has been putting these triangles and finally the break, right? Okay, it actually hits in our expectations. I said the triangle breakdown and pullback, you can short, right? Okay, and if you remember that I said we short sterling for a couple of times. We short from this structure, pullback, short from here. We short from here, right? All mixed money, right? Okay, so just hold your short, because the downside is very big. Well, I'm thinking that sterling is going to maybe test in the 618 as well. So maybe we'll drop to 1.2758. Right, there we will still have another 200 pips to go. All right now you should find the pullback to sell from 1.2975. So sterling dollar, very good place to take a sell of the pullback. Get it? Okay, record down my entries and my target, right? So sterling dollar, okay, setting pullback from 1.2974, right? You can put your stop loss at 1.32, put your stops here, okay, and aim to 1.2766. Give me 5 if you understand this trading plan. It will be super good, makes you money. Great. Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. The best trading opportunities here, right? It's an inside the bar breakdown and pullback. You can use this 618 to get this sell from here, sell from the inside the bar breakdown, right? Or and then it breaks this structure and sell from this structure pullback, okay? And then it breaks another structure here, right? And you sell from this structure pullback. All these red arrows is the potential opportunities that you should be able to catch by yourself in the last week's chart. Yeah, I recorded. Okay, inside bar breakdown, 618 pullback, structural breakdown pullback, structural breakdown pullback, and you won't miss this trade because it just give you too many opportunities to take this short. Okay, and the downside is also very big. I think the ultimate testing 0.76 and 0.7030 and even lower. I think the target will be 0.7020. Okay, right? May testing this place. So just hold your short, finding pullbacks to sell more before this downtrend is over. Okay, just when the Aussie is still in downtrend, okay, sell the pullback is the best strategies. I'm trying to find this kind of inside bar to take another short here, right? Trying to find this inside bar so that you can make a lot of money, right? So do not buy Aussie when it actually testing 0.7026. I think it's likely to hit this level, right? And even break new low, right? Just to give you another feeling, right? If I choose this as the X point, there is a butterfly patterns here for the Aussie dollar. Okay, so I think the Aussie is likely to go to 0.6923. Okay, just be ready for that, because this patterns tells you that the Aussie won't have too strong support, too strong buy force before it actually hits this level, right? So that's why our aim is to capture the entire leg from the C to D, okay, to catch this downtrend. How to catch downtrend? Anyone? Right. Let me just summarize. How do you catch a trend? And this is very important. How to catch trend? Huh? How many solutions we have? How many pot? Yeah, very good. Because trend means momentum, means inside bar is good, right? And then trend means new low or new high, means, okay, structure break out plus pullback is good, right? So by just using these two simple strategies, you will catch a trend, and catch a trend when the trend is forming and going stronger and stronger. So either you sell the inside bar or you sell the pullback, the inside bar, pullback, okay, pullback, breakout, pullback, or just trying to get this, right? And when you should take target, when the big harmonic patterns tells you, okay, 0.69 is strong reversal point, you better take all of your profit and trying to find some patterns that is bullish, right? You're trying to find this kind of a bullish pattern from here, right? And then go inside with a bullish plan. And then when the bullish trend is successful, okay, inside bar, all right, inside the bar or structural breakout and pullback, right, trying to catch this kind of wave, right, and all the way till the previous very important structure like this. Okay, so I can imagine, I can preview the future market's move, and I know exactly where should I go with this market. Do you understand or not? Because this is what can brings you the most the money, the most profit, is by catch the trend and then using harmonic patterns to tell you where is the reversal point, the PRZ, potential the reversal zone, right? The 1.272 extensions, and then you wait for another bullish patterns, right? Trying to go from here, and then when the new trend start, you're trying to get this, get this, get this. Give me 10 if you understand what I'm talking. Okay, and I do hope that you guys can carry on this mindset through every your trading stage, right? Because it is your job to determine, oh, where can the market go, right? It is bullish trend or bearish trend. And if it is bearish trend, how do I catch the trend? Right? If it is sideways, what is my best strategies? Where is those critical price level like this, right? Where is the critical price level? If you remember in February, right? In fact, in February, I told you guys to short Aussie from here. If you remember, I said this place is very strong. It's too good to you shouldn't actually waste these opportunities, because this is a very strong structure, and this is 618 pullback as well, right? And then the price action shows bearish and turns into a bearish trend. Then while you manage to capture every single pullback and short. Thank you, team. Right. So this is what you should do in your every trading plan setups. Right. So let me repeat. All right. So what is your mindset? Okay. First, okay, you should identify trend. Okay. Second, right, if there is a trend, okay, which means new high, new lows, right, which means momentums, all right, then you know, okay, inside bar, we can play with inside bar, we can play structure breakout as pullback, okay, free, okay. If there's no trend, then it's sideways market, and you should use the buy low, sell high strategy. 4, identify the critical price zone, right, to help you to find the best entry. Okay, then 5, okay, determine. So it's actually detail your trading plan and execute it. 6, 2% rule. 2% rule, which means do not risk more than 2% of your capital, okay, in one single trade. Okay. All right. If you can do all these things together, I can guarantee you a success in trading. Right. So fine. Okay. Bearish trend. How can I join? Right. Inside bar breakdown, or structure pullback. Right. Where should I hold to a very strong price, very critical price zone, like something like this, right? Critical price, which means the price will have some price action, will have some maybe have some reversal from here, and it's also the major support, right? Okay, and you anticipate the price to comes up from this zone and make a double bottoms, right? And trying to find a 620 pullback or structural breakout pullback to trade, right? This is generally what you think. You should trade, you should follow the trend and trying to catch the trend before it is too late, right? Before it is too late. And you apply the risk management rules every time so that you won't kill yourself. You won't kill your account in 1 or 2 losing trade. All right, so again, I'm keep on, focusing on telling you this because this is the secret of professional trading. And if you can do this, you'll be a successful trader and you can earn as much or even more than me. All right? So ask yourself, through this process, through this sequence, which one you have puzzles, which one you have obstacles to overcome, right? And you need to enhance, you need to solve the problems, right? So some people are, don't know how to find trends. Some people don't know what is inside the bar. Some people don't know what is breakout trade. Some people don't know how to buy those sell high. Some people don't know how to find a critical price zone, right? Some people don't know how to make a trading plan with this trend, catch trade. Some people don't know what is 2% risk. If you don't know, you cannot trade, and you'll be suffering from loss every day. You should be able to make the whole sequence from step 1 to step 6, right? Through all your trading. Sideways market trading is very easy. Just buy low and sell high. You just mark those important support and resistance. That's easy stuff, right? It's not very hard to learn, right? But the hardest thing is, right, you should be able to identify the trend first. Trending, no trending, sideways, right? Bullish or bearish? Keep asking yourself these questions, right? And then whenever you can identify the trend, you ask yourself, how do I catch the trend? By which methodology should I use, right? By inside bar or by structural breakout, right? Or both, right? And where its market is likely to go, okay, using harmonic patterns. Okay, are we clear? Guys, are we clear? Yeah, write it down. Write it down. This is the standard process for a good trader to start with. Right? I'm doing this over and over again, and that's why I will be always sensitive to the market. I will always be generally accurate of the trend recognition, and I'm not only an analyst, I'm a trader, because I know how do I use my best strategies to catch the trend, to pull my trigger. And then I use the 2% rules, and I have the outcome, right? The 7, or let me say 7. The final outcome is something like this, okay? Minus 200 plus 400 minus 200 minus 200, okay? Plus 400 plus 400 plus 800 minus 200, okay? Something like this. This is what you're expecting, okay? You will definitely encounter a lot of losing trade and a lot of profitable trade. But all the losing trade, you kept the loss to a standard figure, which is $200 or 2%, right? And then you can win 4%. Hey guys, are you okay with this? Are you clear with this? You know how to trade? You know what is professional trading? Are you sure you understand every single stage, every single process, and make sure you are able to do it? You are able to act by this. And if you can do this, I can guarantee you a success in trading. If you have some problems in any of this place, right? Trying to learn something from me or from some other master, some other traders, okay, you need to figure out what is your own trading system and what is your best winning trading strategies. All right, are we good? Give me 5 if you finished capture the screenshot of this whole process, and then I can move on the next market. I can see the Aussie. Wow, it's really dropping like crazy. Wow. Oh, look at my sterling yen. Hey guys, it's really strong. It's really a nice trade. You see here. Wow. Break new low. Wow, inside bar. Hey guys, sterling yen inside bar, 30 minutes chart. What is your instantaneous, spontaneous reaction of this? What is this? Inside bar, right? So break down inside bar. What did you do? Sell, right? Are you ready? Have you? Oh, nice. Okay, good. Enjoy the profit. Can you hear me? Wow. It's yeah. Oh, I think something wrong with my Zoom. I think here. New low, new low, new low. Wow. 1,005 profit now. Yeah. My chatting window is ooh. Wow. Oh, come on, baby. This is really good. It really looks nice. Break new low. Okay, sterling yen makes new low. Okay, you find every opportunity to sell the pullback, and now the best place still here is here. Okay, remember 144.95. If there is place, you should take the short, sell the pullback. Right, you should be fast enough to catch the trend. Wow! Whoa! Hoo-hoo. New low. No stop. The market is crazy. Sterling yen makes a breakdown, guys. Bravo, bravo, bravo. Yeah. Hmm. All right, never mind. Okay. I think we better. Oh wow, this is really good. All right, the pulling back is showing. All right, get ready, guys. The one in 1 minute chart, we can see the beautiful structure is here, and see whether in 1 minute chart it can pull back to like 10 pips to give us another entry. And look at the gold. The gold is doing well. Wow, 1267. Right, if you take short today after breaking this new low, the euro is crazy, 1.19. The euro just makes new low. Oh, waterfall. Hang on, hang on. Let me check what happened to the market. There must be some news happens, right? Cannot remember. I mean, not very sure what happens to this world. What happens? Something happened to the euro. Okay, we have new home sales. No, that's not very important. Nothing happened. Nothing happened, but the market is just like crazy, you know. Yeah, sterling yen just to drop like crazy. And I'm great that we captured this beautiful trade, right? It's breaks new low. Okay, let me just trying to find some opportunities to find the trade. Okay, see whether we can have the new breakout trade. Euro, like what I said, right? Trying to break new low. Okay, 5-minute chart. Okay, now in 5-minute chart, what do we have, guys? What do we have in 5-minute charts? What do we have? We have a strong mother box, right? It's potential inside bar. Okay, I'm only considered to sell. Now I have 2 places to sell. The first place I want to sell is here. The second place I want to sell is when it completes our inside bar, right? A breakdown. Right, so I think I will demonstrate you guys. All right, you see my net asset value has grown to 6,000. Right, just in 1 week ago, I in my last webinar, my account I put is only about 1,000. Now it's 6,000. Right, you see, it's always good for you to capture new opportunities by making very nice trading plans. Okay, now it's 10:36. The first 5 minutes is shown. I think another 4 minutes to form this inside bar, right? If the okay, let me just sell limit. Let me put a sell limit here. I'm going to sell the pullback this place. Just get ready to do that. Yeah. Okay. The DXY makes all-time high. Right? DXY makes all-time high. Really breaks up. Right? So DXY going to hit the 98.54. Still have place to go. Right? Just get ready for that. The DXY will still have place to go there. So our sterling yen, I'm going to sell the pullback. A bearish pin bar of this 5 minutes chart. So if the market do like this, I'm going to trade the breakout, right? Okay, 1 minute chart for the pullback. Hey, my students, can you still hear me? If you can, just reply me on WeChat. Yeah, because I cannot see your messages. Oh, Andrew, you can hear my voice, right? You can hear, right? Okay, good. So I think the chat window has been dead. Never mind. Can you see my chart? Can you see my MetaTrader 4? Are you trading with me? Are you ready to pull the trigger? Thank you, Andrew. Oh, okay. Looks like. Good. Maybe a little ABCD patterns here. Wow, you can see the trend is really strong, you know. Maybe there's no pullback. Okay, 6,300 now. 5 minute chart. Still 1 minute. 1 minute to form this candle. I hope it can form our inside bar so that you give me the chance to have another short. No, just apply the trading the inside bar strategies. Okay. Okay. Inside bar formed, right? Inside bar formed. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Come on, break down, break down, break down. By the way, I don't want to trade the inside bar breaks up because I know that there's no much space for the bulls to go, right? I only want to trade the inside bar short. And you need to measure the distance from this candle, right? So it's from 144.72 and 144.82. It's about 10 pips. So if you want to risk $200, right, you can trade 2 lots, right? If you agree to risk $200. Okay, the market is sideways for a little bit. All right, maybe a 30 inside bar will come out. I don't know. Just wait. Just get ready to trade this inside bar. All right. Some people said the gold has already have inside bar trade, right? Where is it? Oh yeah, 15 minutes chart. Very nice catch. Beautiful catch. Congratulations. Okay, so now in 1 minute chart, Sterling yen makes the first pullback. Okay, of course I need to anticipate another pullback to here, and you can also draw the whole Fibonacci levels from here. 618 is here, so the best place to short is here. Okay, it's purely based on the momentum. Andrew, if you sell from here 144.96, your stop loss should be go to above this place 145.15. Okay, if you short the inside bar, just apply the inside bar's rules. Okay, all right, mother bar, inside bar, a second inside bar. Okay, it will be interesting. See whether the market can give us this trading opportunities. Okay, 1 minute chart, pullback, second pullback. Looks like there's some sellers from here. Okay, but they already show face one time, so see whether they can make the price to push it lower to break down. I'm just waiting for the breakdown. Okay, all right. La la la. Gold is looks like pulling back to this zone, right? So just pay attention to the inside bars breaking out here. It may inside bar break down and it may pull back. So when the pull back, you can trade again, right? That is good opportunities. WTI goes up, Euro yen breaks down, Euro dollar. I think Euro dollar also very nice move. So you can choose to have the Euro. Okay, where's my Euro? Oh, Euro is here. Yeah. Okay, Euro have pullback from here. 5 minutes. I'm considered short. Oh, wow. Here, another inside the bar, right? So today is actually inside the bar's night. Catch the momentum, right? So see whether it can give the pullback to sell. Sterling yen breaks just to penetrate this previous low. It really penetrated. Okay, and see where is the buyer. Oh, no. Okay. Hey, so guys, here we find in 5 minute chart they actually have an inside bar breaks up, right? But we don't want to. I don't want to buy the inside bar breakout because it's a bearish trend. The momentum is down. So since the inside bar has been already violated to up, right? That's why we hence we cannot trade the break down anymore because this is a upside inside bar, right? It breaks up. By right, you should buy, but we don't want to buy because the momentum is going down. So I rather go into the next trading frame of maybe 15 minutes or 30 minutes, right? So 15 minutes, it formed the first candle. So another 15 minutes, you should wait for this candle, and you can trade the 15 minutes inside of a breakdown. That would be good. All right, 5 minutes, still bearish trend, sideways a little bit. I think it may give us this sell limit order from 144.95. If it can give these levels, I'll be very happy to see the price to pull back to here and I want to sell again. All right. Okay. All right. Let's move on. So gold, sterling yen, sterling dollar, Aussie. All right, all covered. All right. So basically, the dollar is strong tonight. Dollar is really strong tonight. Gold still going down. I think our short is making a lot of money. Okay, here. All right. Another wave of breaking down. Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen is okay. Dollar yen is like sideways, right? It has already making a very important resistance from 112.16, and then it breaks down here, trying to pull back, and then now dollar yen this 2618 trade here is actually pulling back to 618, right? 111.97. But in the case of DXY going strong, not very recommended to trade dollar yen short. All right, just watch the market, just watch the behaviors. Right. Okay, SPX. Okay, SPX new high, but SPS have the ABCD patterns. Right. Okay, good ABCD patterns. Completed. Wow, completed. SPX completed ABCD. All right, so you can sell from 29 to 21 and to catch this harmonic patterns. Wow, that'd be good. I think this one is going to give you a very good profit. All right, and where's your stop loss? All right, can use the Fibonacci extension tools to help you to determine your stop loss. Right. Let me just show you how do I determine it. Okay, here. All right, 1.212 is here, 1.414 is here. So you can just simply sell the SPX. Okay, put your stop loss above 1.44, right? Just to see whether there will be a very beautiful move to at least the first target 2911. Second target will be about 29,000, right? I think I'm going to publish this in TradingView, right? So SPX, right? Finished ABCD patterns, and we can sell from 2929. A stop loss above 2924. Okay, TP1 2912, TP2 okay, 29,000, TP3 2888. Okay, so 3 targets for the SPX. Okay, let's do it. Okay, good. So ABCD patterns, publish. All right, let's see. Okay, sterling yen, ready to go. Give me the sell limit. Come on, give me the sell limit. All right. All right, let me just show you the S&P. So S&P is under indices, S&P futures here. All right, good. I know that the S&P is, one contract is about 50 shares. So if I short now is 2921, and then my stop loss about 2924. It's about a $3 move, so about a 150 risk, right? So I think the correct loss size is about. Let me just use the Jackmaster tools. Just use the Jackmaster tools. Oops, where is it? Okay, let me sell one contract first. 925. Okay. All right, my risk is about $190. So I think my target would be here. Let me just I think this is a very nice patterns. 618 is here. Okay, done. All right, so as guys, what you can see here is I have completed a S&P sell by using ABCD patterns, right, and harmonic patterns. Right, my stop loss is about $200, $190. Okay, and my target will be about $900. Okay, and now it's in profit. You see, after I sell, it really goes down, right? I'm quite confident about for this patterns. I hope that you can join with me to sell it again. It's a good trade. Yeah. Oh yeah. I have already drawn the charts in MT4. Give me one if you already entered the S&P short. Give me one. Yeah. Hello, Andrew. Andrew, have you traded S&P? Because it's really good place to take a shot. Yeah. Okay, so after we made this trade, all right, let me just be ready for this time. I think. Looks like we can. I think we can even put our target even lower because we can use the daily chart 89 EMAs here, and there's a supporting from here, right? Good. So let's just draw my target to about here. I think, yeah. Yeah, I will choose here. 2821. If the price drop to here, I'll be very happy because this one lot S&P contract can give me 4,900 profit, and my risk is about 200. So 200 in exchange of 4,000, that is 25 times risk reward ratio, right? See whether we can make this deal. All right. Okay, so almost 1 hour, and it's really a nice evening in Singapore. In Asia time, it's a very nice evening. That you see the market is trying to make directions for all pairs, right? The euro have already pulled back to here. Okay, you can what you can do is you can take a sell from here. Stop loss at 1.1217. It's about 20 pips, 20 pips loss to catch the new trade. You enter now and sell stop loss here. I think I can just enter another trade. See whether I can do. Okay, there's some support from here. Support from here. Inside my breakdown, pullback, right? 1.12, 1.1220. Okay, so 20 pips loss. I can sell one lot, and I might put my stop loss above here. Okay, yeah, just slightly above this pink bar here. So my loss will be about $200. So again, I have entered a new trade in euro, right? The reason is a structural pullback, and my risk is about $200, and my target will be here, right? Like what the David said, right? We can aim for the gap. Aim for the gap. By doing this, I think we can capture the, hopefully we can capture the downtrend begins, right? The euro needs to breaks down here 1.1178 to confirm a bearish trend. And we're finding a 30 minutes pullback to take the short. I think, yeah, I mean, just to trade with this plan and let it go. Okay, let it go. All right, I won't look at the euro dollar and my S&P anymore, because I have already done my trading plans. I have already pull my triggers and use my correct stop loss to to determine this my risk. Right, I don't know which one is going to win, but right, it's all beautiful trade, right? Nice trading plan, and that's why I just take the short. Sell S&P, sell euro dollar, sell sterling yen, okay. 15 minutes. There's a pin bar here. Okay. About 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Didn't really feel my order from here. See whether you can give me these add-on positions. If you can, I'll be very, very happy. Cannot, never mind. I still have my 1,200 profit from the last trade we did in last week. Remember here, we sell the pullback here, right? Okay. So as you can see here, I'm using my profit to take new trade. Even if I lose this $400, right, I still have about 900 wins, $900 profit. Okay, so yeah, in general, I have no risk. I have no downside, but only potential upside. All right. Okay, the market is good. See whether we can do. Okay, let's move on to trading view. All right, so S&P we have already found the place. How about the Bitcoin? Bitcoin up or down? Wow, Bitcoin, nice. 5,006. Okay, so hold your long of Bitcoin, BTC. Wow, it just too nice. 5,006. Remember last time I asked you guys to buy from here? 618 from here. Beautiful move. Right? I think I can go to my wallet, my crypto wallet, to see what is my profit now. Good. Okay, good. Because I think the time is really getting close to 1 hour. I want to doing. I think probably I can stop here now, because I'm going to upload the videos to the YouTube, so that the other people who didn't join can see my video as soon as possible, right? And I do hope that through all the live trade that you can have some feeling of what to do, okay, with the trade, right? How to capture opportunities, okay? How to make sure that you are setting at the right place, you're doing the correct stop loss, doing the correct, loss size calculation, doing the correct entry and the stop loss, right? Euro, all right, good. Still pulling back. Negative by $77. Right, I'm just to watch it. Right? It's either a stop loss of 200 or a very beautiful win. Right? So that is logic of trading. Right? Okay. So I think end of the webinar today. Very sorry that I think I have some technical issues, because I cannot my Zoom's chatting windows is it's not working, it's not responding, so I cannot see your text. But I really hope that you can understand my trading logic, right? by doing the same thing, you can know why we want to sell the euro, why we want to sell the S&P, why we want to sell the pullback. Okay, sterling yen. Wow, sterling yen breaks new low. I think sterling yen breaks new. That would be give a good choice. Okay, don't. Okay, see what I can break. 30-minute chart. Okay, 30-minute charts. No inside bar yet. 15 minutes. It's about the inside bar here. Okay. I think sterling dollar is really moves very fast. Yeah, there's the GBPUSD is moving very fast. Maybe I can consider sell here. Maybe. Never mind. Okay. All right. So end of the webinar. I'm going to publish my recordings to YouTube as soon as possible. You can learn it. You can watch the videos in my YouTube channel by typing 3w.youtube.com/Projack. Right. You can see here. Okay. So this will be my YouTube channel. Right. So the recordings will be here. And remember the sequence of how to find a trade, right? And plan your trade and trade your plan. Thank you, guys. See you next week. Enjoy the beautiful trade. Right. See you. Bye-bye.